Hello everyone. Let's talk about boosting your Lenovo Legion 516 IRX9's performance. If you're looking to max out your memory and get the smoothest possible experience, the OWC 64GB DDR5 5600 RAM upgrade kit might be exactly what you need. This kit comes with two 32GB SATA modules, giving you a total of 64GB of high-speed DDR5 memory. Specifically designed to be compatible with the Lenovo Legion 516 IRX9, this upgrade promises a seamless fit and improved performance. The modules are built to JEDEC standards and are RoHS compliant, ensuring both quality and environmental responsibility. OWC designs and tests their memory to meet or exceed the original manufacturer's specifications, so you can be confident that you're getting a reliable product. One of the best things about this upgrade is how straightforward it is to install. OWC even provides a basic installation video to guide you through the process, making it a manageable DIY project for most users. Of course, if you're not comfortable working with computer hardware, it's always a good idea to seek professional help. The performance boost from upgrading to 64GB of DDR5 RAM can be significant, especially if you're running memory-intensive applications like video editing software, demanding games, or virtual machines. With faster memory speeds and increased capacity, you can expect smoother multitasking, reduced loading times, and an overall more responsive system. The CL46 latency and 1.1V power consumption are also worth noting, as they contribute to both performance and energy efficiency. OWC also offers a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, including free tech support. This level of support provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered if you encounter any issues down the road. Plus, this kit is a direct replacement for Lenovo part number 4X71M23189, ensuring compatibility and ease of replacement. In summary, the OWC 64GB DDR5 5600 RAM upgrade kit is a solid choice for Lenovo Legion 516 IRX9 owners looking to enhance their system's performance. With its easy installation, guaranteed compatibility, and OWC's reputation for quality and support, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants to get the most out of their laptop.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.